Hi, Miss Summer. Today I'm gonna discuss the solubility. So let's start to discuss the first point, which is what is the solubility. So what is the solubility? Imagine with me if you have a beaker and you put in it some water and you add, for example, 1 spoon of sugar. So this 1 spoon of sugar will gonna dissolve in a complete way. But maybe if you add 2 spoons of sugar, it will not dissolve completely. Or in other words, a precipitate will form. So this is the solubility. The solubility is the maximum amount of the solute that will dissolve in the amount of solvent, and of course with a given temperature. The solubility has 3 types: unsaturated solution, unsaturated solution, and supersaturated solution. So what is the unsaturated solution? Imagine with me if you have a beaker and you put in it some water, and this water, for example, is 10 molecules of water, and you have on the other hand 5 molecules of sugar, and when you put this 5 molecules of sugar in the water, which are the 10 molecules, it will dissolve completely. No precipitate will found. Uniform solution, it will give you a uniform solution, as the particles of the solvent is more than the particles of the solute. So when this happens, when the particles of the solvent is more than the particles of the solute, this called unsaturated solution. So what is the saturated solubility? The saturated solution is the solution that contains the maximum amount of solute. What does this mean? For example, you have 10 molecules of water, and on the other hand, you have 10 molecules of sugar. So the amount of the solvent equal the amount of the solute. When this happens, this is called the saturated solubility or saturated solution. As if you put any other molecule in the water, it will form a precipitate. It will precipitate it below, as you have just 10 molecules of water and 10 molecules of sugar. If you put or if you add anything else, any particles else, it will not gonna be dissolved. So what is the supersaturated solution? The supersaturated solution that contains more than the maximum amount. For example, if you have 10 molecules of sugar and 10 molecules of water, and you have 20 molecules of sugar. So when you put this 20 molecules of sugar in the 10 molecules of water, just 10 molecules of sugar were gonna dissolve, but 10 would be precipitated below. So this is called the supersaturated solution. But maybe if you heat this beaker, or if you heat these 10 molecules that precipitated below, it will gonna be dissolved. So the heating is related to the supersaturated solution. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed the video.